In this video, I will guide you through step by step how to use the XNEST trading platform in 2026 with your mobile device. And if you're a Forex beginner trader and you're having issue navigating through the XNEST trading platform or trying to link your XNEST trading platform to your MT5 or MT4 and how to withdraw from your XNEST trading platform to your local bank account or wallet, then you need to pay close attention to this. Watch this video to the end without skipping any part. And if this video interests you, all you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends and family. With that said, if you have not created an account on XNEST, you want to check the end screen of this video after watching this particular video. Watch how to create and fund an XNEST account. Once you have successfully created and verified your account, this is what the XNEST dashboard would look like. So we have trade, deposit, withdrawal details, and I'll be explaining all this bit by bit. So in this trade, if you want to trade directly on the app without a third-party platform like MetaTrader 5 or 4, so you can trade directly on XNEST. You just click on the trade. Once your account is funded, you can buy or sell. So it's that easy. So in order for you to trade, you have to deposit. So go to deposit. You can see we have online bank transfer 1 and 2. They accept crypto, BTC, Ethereum, Nutella, and so on. So similar to for withdraw, can withdraw through any means. So this open means for any open trades, you'll see it right here. Then if you go to pending, you'll see pending orders that are yet to be filled. So you can see there's a pending order on BTC. And this close means closed order, orders you have closed already. So if you go to insights right here, this insight is showing you trading signals or professionals, buyers, as you can see right here, and also upcoming events like news. So if you go to performance right here, it will show you your trading volume and equity. Then if you go to profile, this is your settings. This will show verify if you have fully verified your account. And if you scroll down, you can go to support. In case you have any complaint, you can chat live with them and then they will respond to you. So let's go back to accounts. So either you click on this plus icon right here, or you go to this arrow right here, click on it and click on plus. So once you click on that plus, it will show you types of accounts. This is standard account, this is cent account, this is pro, this is raw spread, and this is zero spread. So this zero spread, raw spread, and pro is for professionals. The minimum deposit for these accounts are nothing less than 500 USD, and they have a commission. You pay 0.05 USD per lot size. So that's how it goes for all these. So I'll prefer for a beginner, you use this standard account. So in order for you to use the standard account, you click on continue. You choose the trading platform, either MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 or Exness, like I showed you previously on the app. So I'm using MetaTrader 5. So you click on MetaTrader 5. Then you go to, then you see the type of the account, the currency. You can actually change this to any currency of your choice, even Nigerian Naira, so you could use that. So I'm using US dollar. You can change your leverage too if you want, to any leverage of your choice. Then your nickname, that's the name of the account, because you can open multiple accounts so you can easily navigate through. So let's change this to Josh and then click on save changes. So you click on continue. So then you enter your password. As you can see here, they say the password has to be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and lower case, means you need to have like a capital letter or something. And then it needs to have at least one number and then a special character. So let's just use any password. Once you've done that and it's correct, all this will change to green. Then you click on create account. So I don't need to create account because I already have an account. So you go back. So the same thing for demo. This is my demo account. You can see open order that is open right here. There's no pending order. So in order for you to link this to your MT5, you go to details, then you go to settings, then you copy this and then go to your MT5. If you open your MT5, this is how your MT5 is going to look like. As you can see, there's no account on it. Then you go to new account. Once you tap on new account, then you go to the name of the broker. That's XNEST. So you just search XNEST. So as you can see, so once you tap on XNEST, you go to server, or you go to new account. Then you tap on the search here. Either you copy this and then paste here and tap on search. Then you see, you tap on it. You still have to come here again in the server and look for Exness MT5 trial 10. So you look for it. So as you can see, it's Exness MT5 trial 10. You tap on it. Then you tap on this login space is for the number. So you go back. And you see the number right here. Login. You copy it. Then you tap on it. Paste. Then for the password you already saved in that account. If you're forgotten, you can still create a new password. So let me just think of something. So after you have put the password, then you tap on submit. So that password, you will go to MT5 and then input the password. So if everything goes well, this is what you'll be seeing. As you can see, it's showing demo right here. You can see this is my watch list. Currently in the trade in this demo account. So that's what you need to do. If you find value in this content, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notifications so you get notified anytime we're posting amazing content like this. And do well to check on the description below. If you don't know how to create an XNEST account, check on the next video. Stay safe and goodbye.